Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. If you are looking for a quick, healthy and winter warming recipe, here is my soup dumpling with tofu recipe. So let's start this tofu dumpling soup recipe. Let's chop some vegetables. I have taken scallion here. You can also use bok choy or mushroom. Wash, peel and chop the carrot just like this. We are making this recipe more healthier by using some green peas and adding pop of colors. So here are my carrots, scallion, green peas and some ginger and garlic. I'm chopping them very thinly. I'm using chicken broth, about 2 cups, but you can use vegetable stock. And since we are using as a 1-pot meal, I'm adding tofu. The firm level is firm. Our preparation is done. Let's get to the stove. I have the heavy bottom pan, adding 1.5 teaspoon of sesame oil and adding ginger, garlic, carrots, white part of onion, tofu into it. I'm just not holding the cutting board. It is easily sitting on the soup pot. So I'm adding the vegetables that I shared before. I hear you because in winter and weeknights with a lot of activities get so busy. So this is just a quick and easy 1-pot meal that I wanted to share. Once you sauté the vegetables, it's time to add our tofu and stir it nicely. I've taken 3 to 4 tablespoons of frozen green peas. Let's saute them. And it's time for some seasoning. So I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. It is optional. If you like spicy, you can add it or you can just skip it. Alright, so time to add our chicken stock. As I said before, you can also use vegetable stock. I'm also adding 2 cups of water to it just for that nice liquid consistency. Stir it well. Alright, and here's my star of the show. Pot stickers, chicken and veggies. So since these were frozen, we will cook it thoroughly. So I've taken about 12 to 13 maybe pot stickers, and I've added the ginger afterwards because that is going to ooze out nice flavor to the soup. And it's time to mix. Look at this beautiful colorful soup that I can't wait to enjoy in this wintry snowy night. To enhance the Asian flavoring to the soup, I have this dumpling sauce in the frozen pack of pot stickers. So I've added the entire 1 pouch of it. I'm also adding gochujang sauce. It's a hot sauce. It is totally optional, but you can add it for the extra flavor. Adding less than a tablespoon of rice vinegar just for that little tanginess. And since we have a lot of spices, I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Let's cover it up for 10 minutes and the soup will be ready. 10 minutes are done. Let's check it out. Oh my goodness, look at this. All the pot stickers are swimming in that soup with beautiful flavors. Let's stir it well and cover it for another minute or so and then serve it. That's it. We are done with the soup. Let's serve it in a bowl. Look at this steaming hot, nice and colorful and very, very healthy. let's enjoy this with some garnishing on top. And while I serve this, if you're a soup lover, I'm adding another recipe in the I button above. So check it out and do try it at home and let me know your feedback. I can't wait to taste this. Let's garnish with some green onion that we kept it aside earlier, and the soup, the Asian style soup without the sesame seeds sprinkle on top is a no-no, right? So let's add that up and enjoy this soup nice and hot. And top it up with some lemongrass. This is the one from my home garden. So just enjoy this beautiful, flavorful pot sticker tofu dumpling soup and some ginger juliennes. And also check out my other recipes on this channel and let me know your feedback. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and hit the bell icon.